Did you know there is a bird with a giant, colorful beak that looks almost unreal? This is the amazing hornbill, one of the most unique and fascinating birds you can find in the wild. With its long, curved beak and bright colors, the hornbill easily stands out from other birds and catches everyone's attention. Hornbills are large birds that live in tropical forests, mainly in Asia and Africa. In Sri Lanka, you can find species like the Sri Lanka gray hornbill, which lives in forest areas with tall trees. These birds depend heavily on forests because they need big, old trees for nesting and finding food. One of the most special features of a hornbill is the structure on top of its beak, called a casque. It may look heavy, but it is actually very light because it is made of a hollow material. Scientists believe the casque helps to make their calls louder and may also be used to attract mates. Hornbills are not just beautiful birds. They have one of the most interesting nesting behaviors in the animal world. When the female hornbill is ready to lay eggs, she enters a hole in a tree trunk and seals the entrance using mud, fruit pulp, and even droppings. She leaves only a small slit open. Then she stays inside the tree for weeks, sometimes even months, without coming out. During this time, the male hornbill takes full responsibility for feeding her and later the chicks by bringing food and passing it through the small opening. This amazing teamwork helps protect the family from predators. When it comes to food, hornbills mostly eat fruits, especially figs, which are their favorite. However, they are also omnivores, meaning they eat insects, small reptiles, and sometimes even small birds. Because they eat fruits and travel long distances, they play a very important role in spreading seeds across the forest. This helps new trees grow and keeps the forest healthy. That is why hornbills are often called the farmers of the forest. Sadly, hornbills are now facing serious threats. Deforestation and habitat loss are the biggest problems. When forests are cut down, hornbills lose their homes and nesting places. Without large trees, they cannot survive. Protecting forests is very important, not only for hornbills, but also for many other animals that share the same habitat. The hornbill is not just a bird with a big beak. It is a symbol of the forest's health and balance. These birds remind us how important nature is and why we must protect it for future generations. So next time you see a hornbill, remember that it is not just a beautiful bird, but a true guardian of the forest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories.